Tsetse flies can be found in around 37 African countries. They are the carriers of parasites that cause sleeping sickness in humans and the wasting disease nagana in domestic animals, which cost around $4.5 billion per year in direct agricultural losses. However, in Arba Means, southern Ethiopia, farmer Awoke Woyese is content. He can use oxen to plow the fields and bring to the market the maize he grows. A few years ago, the situation was very different.
The cows were very weak and skinny, and I could not use them for farming. They were dying from the tsetse flies. Even the medicine we bought privately was not effective. After a few days, the cows would die anyway.
The Ethiopian Ministry of Livestock is currently undertaking an ambitious project to get rid of the flies from an area of 25,000 square kilometers called Southern Tsetse Eradication Project. After the insecticide application, the fly population is now down by more than 90%, and the benefits can be seen all over the region.
When you succeed in doing suppression, you get the population very low. The problem appears to disappear because the disease decreases, and then people lose interest, lose motivation to continue the suppression. Then the problem comes back again.
The sterile insect technique allows reaching the final step and completely removing the flies, so there is no possibility for them to come back and no need for continual chemical control in the future. Ethiopia is rearing tsetse flies at this facility in Addis Ababa. A cobalt-60 source is used to sterilize the flies. The radiation damages their DNA and makes them infertile, but it doesn't affect their flying or mating ability, and it doesn't make them radioactive. The sterile flies are currently being released from an aircraft in Demi Basin. However, if the program is to be expanded to larger areas as planned, other release methods, such as drones, must be developed. Chilled immobile flies are introduced into biodegradable boxes and loaded into the cooled pods installed under the drone wings. During the flight, the pod releases the boxes at predefined coordinates in the target area. 5,000 flies can be released per fly, covering an area of around 100 square kilometers. Routes are designed over areas with suitable tsetse habitat. Before takeoff, field operator selects the desired path, and the mission is run autonomously. When sufficient numbers of sterile males are introduced into the wild population, it will progressively decline. The survivors are flooded regularly with sterile males, which seek out the remaining females. Mating produces no offspring, leading to the eventual eradication of the population. When tsetse flies are gone, whole communities flourish. There is food to eat and sell. Work and transport are viable. The drones can be used to release sterile insects and ensure that this pest never returns. Drones for good.